go to Georgia Tech, you should really go to the rooftop of the Clough building, and I'm going to show you a little. So here's a little panorama from the south end of the 4th floor gardens. This is about the middle, and they got places to sit. People do their homework and hang out here. And now I'm going to the north end. There's Coca-Cola way up at the other end, and so I'm going to swing around. We're going to have a look at the Midtown skyline starting about right here. Really something. A close up. So if you come to Georgia Tech, and you can, and it's the right time, you should definitely go to the roof of the Clough building because of this amazing rooftop terrace.